Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So it's been a little over a week since I uploaded a video, and that's because I was really sick. I had a really high fever, and I still sound a little sick, but here's another video. Now that our hair is back, now that our hair is clipped back, I'm gonna use the E.L.F. Prep and Hydrate Balm. I'm going to slap this on over my face. For foundation, I'm taking the Makeup Forever Ultra HD Foundation. Taking the Maybelline Fit Me Concealer in the shade Fair. I'm just going to drag this up onto my lid as an eyeshadow primer too. To set my face, I'm going to use the Wet n Wild Pressed Powder in the shade Neutral Buff. 822E. Another name for it, Taking this E.L.F. Flawless Face Brush. The blush, I'm taking the Essence Satin Touch Blush in the shade Satin Love. Bronzer, I'm taking the Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer in the shade Bronzer. I wanted to specify the shade because it came out with new shades, so letting you know. Highlight, I'm going to take the Colourpop Super Shock Shadow, the Colourpop Super Shock Cheek in the shade Stole the Show. Taking the Benefit Cosmetics KaBrow. I'm going to set down my concealer with the powder that we used to set our concealer on our face. I'm going to use it to set the concealer on my eyes. For the eyeshadow, I'm going to be using only 2 eyeshadows at all. For my transition shade, I'm going to take the Colourpop Super Shock Shadow in the shade Hanky Panky, and this is a matte, and it's a great transition shade color. So, because this is going to be as simple as possible, I'm going to take my finger, swirl it around in the shadow. So, I've got some product on my finger, and then I'm just going to pop it on, just kind of like put it in the crease, and on the lid, just kind of everywhere, but not bringing it too high, and because I'm just using my finger, I'm not getting any brushes dirty. I'm going to use the Colourpop Super Shock Shadow in the shade Sundance. This is ultra metallic. I'm going to take my pinky. I'm just going to apply this onto my lid. And that is our 2 eyeshadows, but for a little inner corner highlight, we'll go back into our highlighter that we used on our face. For mascara, I'm just going to use the Essence Lash Princess False Lash Effect. This is a great mascara. It's under $5. For lips, I'm going to wear the NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream in the shade Stockholm. on top of it, I'm going to take the Colourpop gloss in the shade Fairy Floss. Alright, I think that completes today's look. Thank you so much for watching, and make sure to subscribe if you haven't already. And if you like this video, to give it a big thumbs up.